You saw that title correctly. This is absolutely not clickbait. I am going to share where I have been sourcing all of my L'Agence inventory. And in addition to going over the website with you guys, I actually have a box full of inventory here that we're going to unbox together. I'm going to tell you tips and tricks on how I have been selling these items. Now that I do have experience for over a year now, I've definitely learned a few things along the way that I am so excited to share with you guys. So if all of that sounds good to you, especially the part where I'm exploiting one of my sourcing spots, then definitely give this video a thumbs up, and in return I shall give you a cutesy clip of Houdini. Alright guys, the time is finally here. The question that I have been avoiding for over a year now, because every time I bring up a L'Agence sale, someone in the comments is always asking me, but where did you get it? I've looked on all of the sites that you've already talked about. I can't find it. Finally, I am answering your long-awaited questions, and I will also tell you why I've waited this long. I get all of my L'Agence liquidation from the website Boutique by the Box. Boutique by the Box is a New York-based company that I have been buying from the past year. I have probably spent, I would say, in total around $4,000 to $5,000 on these lots itself. However, Boutique by the Box has something for everyone. I absolutely love buying from them just because they sell in small lots. As you guys know, I haven't really been into buying big, massive pallets anymore, and just testing the waters with small lots and then repeatedly buying those small lots once I see proof of concept, meaning that it's actually worth picking up again. What I mean when I say Boutique by the Box has something for everyone, basically what I mean by that is that they have bread and butter brands that I know a lot of you love to pick up at thrift stores, but hey, you can buy it online from the convenience of your couch and it will be sent to your door. Or if you're someone like me and you don't mind investing and picking up items that you do have to pay up for that are more mid-tier luxury to premium brands like my L'Agence box, then they also have options like that on their website as well. The particular section that I have truly fallen in love with on their website is basically all of their Revolve styles. That category definitely fits the taste of my closet in particular. But like I said, they have something for everybody there, so definitely consider checking out their website. Now, the biggest question that I know that I'm going to get, because I have been holding this secret for the past year, is, Lindsay, why are you telling us this now? As the majority of you guys probably already know from my past liquidation experiences, when I initially documented my first ever pallet and the sales from that pallet, I never really promoted too much of the website as compared to how I promote liquidation now. So I decided to wait with this one to, again, have that proof of concept that I keep going back to it, and I have had absolutely great experiences with it, that now I'm finally ready and confident to share with you guys that this is a good one. I purchased my first L'Agence liquidation lot from them, I believe last fall, so it has been about a year now. So fast forward to several months later, when I was ready to share the source with you, they were out of stock of all of the liquidation lots. So I figured I would wait until they came back in stock. Now I'm gonna be completely transparent with you guys. This video is absolutely not sponsored. I have paid every single lot with my own money, including the one that I have here. I have spent several $1,000s of my own money in total from this website. Now, because I have placed so many large orders with this website, in July of 2022, the owner of Boutique by the Box reached out to me asking if I wanted to pre-order some L'Agence boxes from them because they saw that I was a valued customer. Now, to be further transparent with you guys, I am going to pop up an email that I wrote back to the owner of Boutique by the Box asking if they would be interested in a collaboration with me because I absolutely love their inventory. I actually was using my personal email at the time, not my business email, so that is obviously actually why it is partly whited out. Anyways, the owner did write back to me and gave you guys a discount code that you can use that also I do get a small commission from. So as always, when you are browsing the website and you do choose to use my discount code, please let me know in the comments or DM me, reach out to me. I of course want to personally thank each and every one of you because it truly does support this channel in a different type of way. So thank you so much if you decide to do. And obviously I have to tell you what that discount code is. So it is lindsaynicolepm for 10% off anything on their website that isn't already marked down, and that does include the L'Agence box that we're going to go over today, which I will tell you, of course, more about. You can't use that discount code on top of other discount codes that you may see on the website, but you can make a cart and check out multiple times with different discount codes. So I just wanted to let you know that little tidbit. But again, who doesn't like a little discount? I used it on my box, and I believe this code is good until the end of the year, so definitely keep that in mind. I think that's enough information for now. So with that said, let's get into the unboxing. So when you go on the website, you are gonna see two different lots for L'Agence. There is the L'Agence jean box and there is the Ooh La La L'Agence box as well. I have purchased both of them, but sadly the Ooh La La L'Agence box is currently out of stock. Fingers crossed that we will get that back in stock, but for now, this is the L'Agence jean box that we are gonna go over. Now, if you are interested in one of these boxes, you are able to get a quantity of 10, 20, and 50 items. I didn't want this video to be like a half an hour long. I figured I'd make it short and sweet so you guys can see what a 10-piece box looks like. Just gonna read a couple quick notes to you. Each pair of jeans is an average retail price of over $200. If you guys aren't familiar with L'Agence, it is a very premium, expensive brand. Again, you guys have seen my journey selling these jeans, selling their blazers, selling their blouses, so you kind of already have an idea of my personal comps for each of these items because you've been watching it for over a year now. There will be a variety of sizes, styles, and colors. Most of them will be denim, but it does say that there will be some leather-like materials mixed in here, which is perfect because faux leather and leather is definitely popular in the fall and winter season. Originally, this box for 10 pieces was $164.99, but I did use the code lindsaynicole10 for 10% off my purchase. So my total purchase was $148.99. Therefore, my cost of goods for each of these pieces is $14.80. And again, each of them should be retailing for an average of $200. All right, let's get cracking. Now, I just realized I'm probably unsealing this upside down because on the opposite side is my address, but that's okay. Just so you guys can see the final open. All right, and this is what it looks like. So hopefully you guys can see. I'm not really sure how to show it to you, but as you can see, everything is folded super nicely and neat, and everything should be free from flaws. Of course, with liquidation, you're always going to get those minimal amounts of flaws. I am absolutely aware with that anytime I purchase liquidation from anywhere. And let's just start pulling out items. And we're gonna pull out the first pair, which is a pair of gray jeans. This is in size 28. What is really nice about these jeans, other than the quality, because they are truly amazing, is that the fabric contents are right there, super easy to take a picture of rather than looking for the tiny label with the fabric contents. So that's just an added bonus as far as convenience goes. But something else that is absolutely truly amazing is that each one has the style name within the interior tag. So the style name for this particular one is the Kendra High Rise in gray. The reason why I love having those style names is because honestly, I never model jeans because I'm just not that confident. So if I Google high-rise Kendra Lachance jeans in a gray combination, I should easily be able to find all the information that I possibly would need to list this item. So anyways, just to give you guys a visual, this is what the front looks like. This is what the back looks like. It does have a raw hem, and these are straight leg jeans, which is absolutely perfect because obviously that is what is in right now. I could totally see someone rock this with a pair of Chelsea boots and a blouse on a night out, maybe a bodysuit situation. That would be super, super cute. And of course, as promised, it is new with tag, and this is what the tag looks like. I will note that this is the brand's sample tag, so it doesn't have the MSRP on the tag. Again, just to be completely transparent with you guys, you have seen me sell item after item after item of Lachance inventory with this type of tag, and to be upfront with my buyers, I just write in the description that it comes with its sample tag. So this is the first item that I'm very pleased with. Let's look at the next one. All right, we have a pair of dark wash jeans. These are in a size 26. These are the Margaret skinny jeans, which is probably Lachance's most popular style of jeans. Even when I'm selling jeans that aren't Margaret and it specifically says it in the listing, I will have buyers ask me, is this the Margaret style? So although these are skinny jeans, these are very, very popular to Lachance. So this is what the back looks like. And again, it is just your standard pair of dark wash jeans. And of course, it has those fabric contents in there as well. Up next, we have a black pair of jeans, and I'm liking the variety so far. So these are in a size 28 and are 93% cotton. Let's see, what style are you? These are the Ruth high-rise straight leg jeans. Again, new with tags. Here is what they look like. Here is the raw hem that is super, super cute and definitely appealing to me because I am a size 28. So I'm gonna have to have some restraint to not try these on. We are on our fourth item, and we have a pair of leather-like material. This is in a green combination and so fun. Perfect for Christmas, and I'm definitely going to use that as a keyword. These are in a size 30, which is amazing. We love to have a variety of sizes. This is 86% cotton, and it says that they are green coated. And something to note about jeans is they are super easy to photograph. I'm not going to have to steam any of these items. I'm not going to have to model out any of these items. I'm probably going to end up taking flat lays and calling it a day. All right, we are halfway through the box, and we have a white pair of jeans next. This is in a size 28 again. These are the Danica. I will put the style names on the screen for you guys. Wide leg pair of jeans, and they are high rise as well. Love that all of these are high rise. This is what it looks like. They are wide leg for sure. Here is the front of the jeans. It is super cute because it does have that Lachance logo in the front as well. And this is what the back looks like. Okay, so future Lindsay here. I am pausing the video because I've already gone and folded up all of the items that you will see that is unboxed, but I did want to show you guys one flaw that I did catch on these pair of white jeans that I'm not sure if you're even going to be able to see. Also, excuse the hand. Yes, I do realize this is from my spray tan. Anyways, so I did catch this little tiny streak, but honestly, you barely can see it. I just want to show you guys that not every single piece is going to be exactly perfect, and I'm so used to this buying liquidation, but hey, if this is the only flaw that I caught, but at the same time, I don't want you guys to think that I got a perfect lot because I obviously didn't, and that is absolutely okay with me. I also couldn't easily get this out, so I'm not even concerned about it. Ooh, these look super fun. Look at this. Oh my goodness. These are going to be perfect for the spring and summer. Okay, so these are in a size 24. I definitely could tell they're quite tiny, but guys, this is such a fun pattern. Oh my goodness. I know I keep saying that, but how cool. Okay, so these are 94% cotton, and these are the skinny high-rise jeans, and here is the tag again. This has a gold button to it and super, super pretty. I am definitely going to use grandma core on this one as far as keywords go. Up next, we have a pair of size 31 jeans, which is awesome. Again, I love the variety, but I will say I do also like getting the same size pair of jeans. So for example, we did already get 3 pairs of size 28 jeans. I'm actually really happy with that because I have had so many times that buyers want to bundle different style jeans, but obviously they are their own size. So I can totally see someone wanting to bundle all 3 of those size 28 jeans. So anyways, like I said, these are in a size 31. These are the Danica, which I'm definitely saying wrong, high-rise jeans again, which we have already seen, but this is in a light wash combination. These are just so, so soft. Again, there is that wide leg with the raw hem to it. Checking the pockets, there are no holes or anything. Everything looks super, super mint, which I am very happy about. Okay, 3 more. We have another pair of dark wash jeans in a size 24. These are the El Matador Slim pair, and they are in a dark wash combination again. This is what the front looks like. Again, there is the fabric tag. I think you guys are getting the gist by now. Here is the raw hem in perfect, perfect condition, and I am more excited to sell these just because everyone's looking for a new pair of jeans in the fall and winter as it gets cooler and cooler and cooler out. Ooh, we have a fun pair. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm curious about the style of these because I've never received these before. This is the Tilly Slim straight leg jeans in a size 27. How fun are these? This is going to be perfect for someone that wants to definitely stand out. This would actually be pretty perfect for Vegas. I can totally see someone wearing this on this trip. But this is bright white, and as you can see, there is no stains or anything to them, no rips at all. Everything is in place, and I'm just not gonna get over these. And last pair, and I do see a card in there. Like I said, I opened up this box upside down. But anyways, these are in a size 25, and this is another pair of coated jeans. This is so perfect for fall and winter. I could totally see someone wearing this on a night out with, like, I don't know, a crop top of some sort or whatever. This is the black coated material, super, super edgy and fun, and very excited to list those. And last but not least, we do have a little card here. This is the welcome card that was probably on the front of the box, but like I said, opened it upside down. This just says, welcome to our community, tag us to be featured, and just some welcome information as well. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and don't forget, if you did, to not only subscribe down below, but give this video a thumbs up. I would super, super appreciate it. If you guys have any questions about liquidation in general, or maybe something I didn't answer pertaining to Boutique by the Box or my Legence inventory, definitely leave your questions down below. You guys know I always answer back to you. And if you're browsing the website and you see something you like, don't forget to use the code lindsaynicole10. We all love a discount, so we might as well use it. The holidays are quickly approaching us, so I am stocking up on all the new with tag inventory I possibly can. If you're in the mood to continue watching me, I will leave a video linked up on the screen for you that I think you're going to love. In this video, I'm talking about my listing process and tips for taking better pictures, so I'm not going to say goodbye because I shall see you in this video linked up on the screen.